Creating client onboarding forms with built-in workflows is easier than ever, and today I'm going to show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. If you're looking for a quick and efficient way to automate the onboarding process for your clients, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create your own client onboarding forms with workflows that streamline your entire process. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to talk about setting up the basic client onboarding form. This is the foundation of everything you're going to automate. You'll want to start by choosing a tool that allows you to build customizable forms. The software we'll be using for this tutorial lets you easily drag and drop form fields like name, email, contact information, and even questions specific to your services. Make sure you create fields that capture all the information you need from your clients in the beginning. Think about everything you'd need to know to begin working with a new client, like their preferred contact method or any special instructions they might have. Once you've got your form built, it's time to add the built-in workflows. Here's where the magic happens. Workflows are automated actions that happen once the form is submitted. For example, once a client submits their details, you can set up a workflow that automatically sends them a welcome email or triggers a notification to your team to begin processing the request. The software we're using lets you automate multiple actions within your workflow. You can set up email sequences, task assignments for your team, and even automate document signing, making sure nothing falls through the cracks. This step can take some tweaking, but once set up, it's a huge time saver. Now, if you're wondering what kind of workflows are best for client onboarding, think about what needs to happen right after someone submits their information. You can automate thank you emails, reminders for client meetings, or even trigger an internal task for your team to start their next steps. Don't overcomplicate it. Start simple, and as you get more comfortable, you can add more steps and actions to your workflow. To keep everything organized, make sure you're using labels, tags, or stages to categorize your clients. This allows you to track where each client is in the onboarding process and ensures no one slips through the cracks. As your workflow advances, you can trigger updates and reminders based on where your client is in the process. I've tested multiple software solutions, and the one we're using in this tutorial is the best when it comes to ease of use and flexibility. It integrates seamlessly with other tools you might already be using, which is key to keeping everything running smoothly. If you want to follow along, I've got a special offer for you. You can get an exclusive free trial of this software by clicking the link in the description below. This trial is only available to viewers of my channel, so be sure to check it out if you want to try this workflow automation for yourself. The key takeaway from today's video is this: automating your client onboarding forms with built-in workflows is a game changer for your business. It saves you time, reduces errors, and ensures that no client gets left behind. To recap, start by building a simple, customizable form that captures all the necessary information. Then, create workflows that automatically trigger actions like sending emails or notifying your team. Don't forget to use tags or labels to keep everything organized. And make sure to try out the software with the exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit that link for the free trial.